Hello, 9th graders. Welcome to week number 6. Pay attention to this video. In this video, you will find instructions to do your week and your final project. But before to talk about the final project, let's start with our week. Week number 6. What to do? Let's see. On Wednesday, you have to solve page 49 and resources on the web with the number 49. To solve page 49, you need to see the videos that are on the didactic sequence. Please follow the links where says Wednesday, okay? And you have to answer this part, okay? Check the people intention. So, what is the intention of the people when they talk and what they do to say, can you help me if they have a complaint or if they have something that they want to say? In this last part, you are going to work with a classmate. Create a dialogue to complain about a device. Use the dialogue in exercise 3 as a model. Okay, so you have to do a dialogue. You can use your chat. You can take a screenshot y adjuntarlo a tu semana number 6. After you finish the page 49 and you watch the videos to solve it, you have to go to solve the quiz on page 51. Remember, the quiz on page 51 is in your book, but also is on the web. Okay, so when you go to page 51 in your book, you are going to find a listening test, a reading test, and a writing test too. But pay attention, you don't have to do this part, the speaking test. You don't have to do it. No lo tienes que hacer, okay? Why? Because the speaking test is your final project. Yes, the interview. Finish to solve page 51 and do the quiz on Educa's platform, remember, we had our reading project. So read your book and on light sale, okay? So enter to light sale, try to read your book, and we have, for the second time, you have to read at least 5 books. 5 books que les voy a dejar de tarea in light sale, yes? You can open it. Y esos 5 libros son hasta el final del segundo periodo. Hasta el momento llevamos 3, pero si tú no lo has hecho, puedes empezar. Son libros muy cortos, so don't worry, it's not a lot of work. Okay, now let's talk about the final project. Super interview challenge. You have to do an interview, but to do it, you have to go first to page 50. On page 50, you will find the instructions to do this project, okay? So you have to record an interview like a journalist, como un periodista. You have to listen and check. This is going to help you to do a good interview, how a good interview should be, and how a good interviewer should be. Cómo debe ser un buen entrevistador y cómo debe ser una buena entrevista. Okay? So remember, how is the greeting? How is the opening? The opening is la frase que abre la entrevista. Yes? Y cómo debe ser al terminar. Yes, el agradecimiento se le dice farewell. And remember, you can work in pairs. Puedes trabajar with a friend o with a relative. Con un amigo o con un amigo de clase o con un familiar, relative, familiar. El tema que puedes escoger es old tech versus new tech, smartphones versus dumb phones, antigua tecnología versus nueva tecnología, teléfonos inteligentes versus teléfonos tontos, yes, dumb. Esos teléfonos podrían ser como los teléfonos fijos de antes, ¿no? The 5 coolest apps, you know, las 5 apps más chéveres que conoces. Después vas a crear tu interview following the tips given in the exercise 1. Keeping in mind the parts of the interview. Ten en cuenta las partes de la entrevista, que es lo que ya habíamos hablado, que es el greeting, right? The greeting, the opening, and the farewell. Later, you are going to record your interview using a smartphone, a tablet, or any other device. Share your video with the class. ¿A través de qué lo vamos a compartir? Bueno, tenemos que ir a nuestra secuencia didáctica para saber por dónde voy a subir mi video para subir mi final project, to upload my final project. Sequence is like a way. Es como un camino, ¿ok? Entonces la vamos a seguir. Yes, you have to watch this video and you are going to go down, 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 and donde dice Thursday, Final Project, My Interview, page 50, tienes que darle click on the next link, and here you can upload your video. So when you tap the link and you follow the link, you are going to find this, my interview final project. Here you're going to find in this video some tips, and here you are going to find information about technology. Okay, so you can choose the topic that you want and click here to record your response. Okay, so that's all, and let's go to work. Let's do this. Okay, so remember, if you have questions or if you have some problems, please write a message to me to WhatsApp and or use our learning our space @gmail.com to ask me something about the final project or the activities. Goodbye. God bless you. Thank you for watching.